Hello everybody, this is Jason from MaggieFrame. In this video, I will introduce the HoopTalent hooping station kits for the 6.9-inch MaggieFrame magnetic embroidery hoop. In the starter kits, it comes with 6 products. The first one is the main station. The second one is the sleeve station with the portal base, which you can use for bags, towels, and the trouser legs and so on. The third one is the large or adjustable fixture, which can be used on a main station or larger size MaggieFrame, such as the 10.5-inch by 12.4-inch or the 12.4-inch by 15.6-inch MaggieFrame. That's for the jacket back embroidery work. The first one is the small adjustable fixture, which can be used with the sleeve station or on the main station. The fifth one is the 6.9-inch MaggieFrame fixture with a freestyle arm, which can go on either the main station or the sleeve station, like this. Then the last one is the 6.9-inch MaggieFrame. When you buy the 6.9-inch HoopTalent hooping station kit, you just choose the brackets of this MaggieFrame, which fits your embroidery machine is okay. If you like my video or if you want to know more about the skills or experience of MaggieFrames or the HoopTalent hooping station, please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.